Happy New Year everyone! Today I will be reviewing Born Pretty Glass Cut Magnetic Gel, so make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. Born Pretty Rainbow Glass Cut Magnetic Gel comes with 6 different shades, so first I'm gonna show you shade RG01. Apply Born Pretty Rainbow Glass Cut Magnetic Gel and use magnetic stick to shape the design that you want. So as you see, you can see the rainbow effect of the glass cut magnetic gel. And this is what it looks like with a strong magnetic stick. Next is the Born Pretty Rainbow Glass Cut Magnetic Gel shade RG02. I highly recommend using with strong magnetic stick, guys, because that's when you can really see the real effect of this gel polish. But in this case, I don't have a strong magnetic stick, so I was just using my regular stick. But I will also show you what it looks like with the strong magnetic stick. And I'm gonna leave the link below down in my description box about the strong magnetic stick and also the Rainbow Glass Cut Magnetic Gel, so make sure you check it out. And this is what it looks like with a strong magnetic stick. Next is the Rainbow Glass Cut Magnetic Gel RG03. I will also write the instruction on my description box step by step on how to use Born Pretty Rainbow Glass Cut Magnetic Gel, so make sure you check it out. Even though I am just using the regular magnetic stick, you can still see the rainbow effect of the glass cut magnetic gel. It is very pretty, glittery, and sparkly. Next is the Born Pretty Rainbow Glass Cut Magnetic Gel RG04. Later, I'm gonna put all the swatches next to each other so that you guys can see the difference of the shade. Like this one, it is very pretty. It has a different vibe into it, and you can see the rainbow effect. Next is the Born Pretty Rainbow Glass Cut Magnetic Gel shade RG05. And this is what it looks like with a strong magnetic stick. And last is the Born Pretty Rainbow Glass Cut Magnetic Gel shade RG06. And this is all the shades together from RG01 to RG06. So just see the difference of all of them. And this is what it looks like with a strong magnetic stick. Big difference. That is why I highly recommend using with strong magnetic stick. And it is also available at Born Pretty official store, so I'm gonna leave the link down below on my description box. And don't forget to use my code ROSEDIY13 to get 12% off, or you can also use code NEW30 or NEW30 for your first order to get 30% off when you shop at Born Pretty official store. And now I will be making nail art using different shades of Born Pretty Rainbow Glass Cut Magnetic Gel together with the Born Pretty Liner Paint Gel LP02. that's it, everyone. I want to say Happy New Year to all of you guys, and let me know in the comment section what shades you like the most, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.